We are on the Banana River. There's supposed to be a launch of a rocket today. And we've been waiting a while. It's supposed to have gone off about 45 minutes ago, but they had to stop the countdown at 46 seconds. Now they've reset it to 4 minutes, but they haven't released the countdown yet. Whatever the hydraulic problem was, the engineers are working on it, and we're just hoping that they get it fixed in time for us to see the rocket launch today. If we do, you will, because this is
Miles and Smiles.
I'm on this side.
Look! Well, that was pretty cool. One thing I learned is that the so-called live internet feed is not really live. It's probably about a 30-second or so delay. So I was kind of thinking, oh, it's going to go in 30 seconds, and people are yelling, there it goes, there it goes. Fortunately, I had the camera pointed the right direction. It's kind of like Disney World. You wait around 90 minutes in line for a 3-minute show. But what a show. A lot of fun. If you ever have a chance to come watch a rocket launch when you're down here in Florida, make the drive down to the Cape Canaveral area. Hopefully the COVID coronavirus issue will be gone. You'll be able to go right up to the Space Center or even closer than we were. We needed to be a little farther away because of social distancing, but it was a great thing to see. I've never seen it before up this close, only on TV and at night from 100 miles away. So it was great. Life is a journey, folks. Remember that, and make every mile count.